Hello students, I'm Bhavna Kaushik, subject Social Studies, today with a new topic, Chapter 4 in the Earliest Cities. Introduction of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, which we are going to study in this chapter. Now you can see on your screens ancient history of Harappa. You can see the civilization of Harappa that there. Again on your screen you can see the real Mohenjo-daro. This was a picture of a real Mohenjo-daro. Students, we will study a new chapter today, chapter number 4 in the earliest cities. Did you know Harappa civilization flourished in the basins of two major rivers, Indus, one of the longest rivers in Asia, and the Ghaggar-Hakra river, which the scholars think was a dried form of old Saraswati river. With the area almost equal to Western Europe, Indus is one of the largest civilizations of its time. By 1999, 1056 cities and settlements of the Indus Valley civilization had been found. Children, now in this chapter we are going to study about Harappa civilization. Harappa civilization, like which type of civilization was that, and how the people used to live in that civilization, what was the culture, many things we are going to study in this chapter. Now, did you know, as I have read, that Harappa civilization, it flourished in basins of two major rivers, Indus, one of the longest rivers in Asia. Now, Indus river is one of the longest river in Asia, and Ghaggar and Hakra river, which is now a dried form of old Saraswati river. So it used to flourish in the basins of these two major. Now what are we going to study in this chapter? This we can come to know through a mind map. Harappa Indus Valley civilization, 5000 BCE to 1500 BCE. The discovery in 1826 CE, James, an ex-British army officer, found ruins of a village. In 1872 CE, Alexander Cunningham excavated the site. In 1922 CE, Harappa was finally discovered as the site of a great civilization. Subsequent excavations at Kalibangan and Mohenjo-daro revealed that they were a part of the Harappan civilization. Next thing, architectural planning. City divided into two parts, citadel and the lower town. Cities had massive walls and gateways laid out on a grid pattern, advanced drainage system, important buildings on citadel. Houses were found in the lower town. Social and economic activities, agriculture and herding main occupations. Writing was used. Scribes, craftsperson and specialists existed. Metals, wood and stone used. Trade was carried out with other countries too. Seals were made. Now all these things we are going to study in this chapter. This is chapter 4 in the earliest cities. Okay children, now these are the things which we are going to study one by one. These are the topics which we will cover one by one. Study Bite 1. The story of Indus Valley civilization and introduction. Harappan cities developed about 4700 years ago. However, they were discovered very late. In 1826, James, an ex-British army officer, on his way to Multan, discovered in Harappa the ruins of an ancient village. Now, in 1826, James, who was an ex-British army officer, when he was going to Multan, he discovered in Harappa the ruins of ancient village. The Harappa, see on your screens, a definition is given. This is the meaning of brick quarry. It is a place, typically a large deep pit from which stone or other materials have been extracted. So this is the meaning. Now you can see on your screens a picture also. It is a picture of brick quarry. You can see so many bricks. They have been excavated over here. It was used as a brick quarry by the people working on the Multan railway. So when Alexander Cunningham excavated the site in 1872 CE, the majority of the settlement had already been stripped of bricks, and also the locals told that the Citadel Hill was the site of a major Hindu temple which was destroyed by the later rulers to build the tomb of Nur Shah. Thus, despite having found few items like pottery, charred blades and a seal, Alexander couldn't trace the Harappan civilization. Now, the Harappan sites were made over here, and then Alexander Cunningham, he excavated the site in 1872, but he did not find anything because everything was destroyed. Everything was finished and nothing was remained later to just think about that any civilization used to occur in any of the periods over here. So only some few items were found like pottery, charred plates and a seal. And Alexander, he couldn't trace any thing of the Harappan civilization. In 1922 CE, while laying railway lines in Punjab, in present-day Pakistan, engineers found Harappa as a source of bricks of very fine quality. Thus, Harappa was finally discovered as a site of a great civilization. Now, in 1922 CE, while laying railway lines in Punjab, in present-day Pakistan, some engineers have found Harappa as a source of bricks of very fine quality. And thus, Harappa was finally discovered as a site of a great civilization. You can see a map over here. This is a map. You can see Punjab, Harappa, Pakistan, Mohenjo-daro. You can see these two places. It's Harappa in Punjab and Mohenjo-daro, it's there in the Pakistan. So you can see this is a legend which we have discussed in geography. You can see the conventional symbols and this is the whole legend. So this is Indus Valley civilization. We call Indus in Hindi Sindhu. Sindhu Nadi. Indus river. Sindh you can see over here. So this is a whole map in which you can see this civilization. As this was the first city to be discovered, all other sites from where similar buildings and other things were found were described as Harappan. It was a great civilization that existed in Harappa and on the banks of river Indus. Now, as this was the first city to be discovered, so all the other sites from where the similar buildings and other things they were found were described as Harappan. This was the first civilization has been found mainly in region of the Indus and Ghaggar-Hakra rivers and their tributaries. More than 1,000 sites have been found, and of these 96 have been excavated. Now we have found at least more than 1,000 sites. Out of these 1,000 sites, 96 of these sites have been excavated. We have excavated 96 out of 1,000 sites. And this valley, this civilization has been found mainly in the regions of Indus and Ghaggar-Hakra rivers. Okay children, I hope that you have understood the chapter. By the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.